Ito po yung marketplace po ng RP Ilocos. Total MP listing is passable. Active listing is 187. Estimated inquiry per day is 1 to 3. This week, inquiry converted to sales is 6,270 with 5 transactions. Ang top 2 listing ko ay itong dry fit shirt, colored sports breathable t-shirt with digital print. May isa akong transaction dito. Bale, nag-inquire si customer. Bale, nag-book-in siya. Ang total amount po niya is 10,820. Second po, itong direct supplier na 16 ounce stainless thermo tumbler po. Isang transaction din po. Total amount po is 6,000. Need to revise po ko po ay itong customized full sublimation po. Bale, gagawin ko po dito is paghiwa-hiwalayin ko po yung yung V-neck polo shirt and round neck po. Na-post ko na listing this week is 7 po. May 10 na po lang sa listing ko po. Salamat.